Hey everybody, Midwest Pricker here. It's been a long time since I made a what sold on eBay video. Couple reasons, been super busy. I don't know that what sold on eBay videos are super popular, but I'm going to give it a shot anyways. Before I get started, I know you're going to ask me this question. Is this baby alien above me, is that real or is it a doll? Before I answer that, let's get into this video. All of these items I'm going to mention include shipping on top, so I charge shipping for everything. Rarely is it free shipping unless there's a ton of competition and I'm up against 50,000 other sellers for one particular item and it's really light. I might do free shipping just to get an edge. Other than that, I charge shipping. People are happy to pay it. So let's get into it. This first item is a cute little hen on nest. This is Westmoreland frosted glass. I think it's a pinkish color. Free to me. These are kind of expensive, so I went crazy and listed it for $69.95, you know, just to see what would happen. I took a best offer of $45. Boom, out the door. Next are some vintage Sears Christmas bulbs. If you don't know, anything vintage Christmas or Halloween sells like mad. These were made in West Germany. For you young folks, we used to have two Germanys, an East and a West. So some people collect that kind of stuff if it says made in West Germany. Sourced these for like $2 down in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Sold for $24.95. Took about 2 years to sell these guys. Next are these really sweet Fiesta ware bowls. I got 8 of them for $5. So I sold these 4, cost of goods $2.50. These are cobalt blue. They might look black, but they're really dark blue. Really nice. I sold a set of 4 just a few months ago, and this is the last set that sold. Sold for $49.95. That is a great margin. $2.50 into $50, and the buyer paid the very heavy shipping. Next up, you're gonna flip when you hear this. You better be sitting down because you're gonna say, Dave, there ain't no way you did this, and I did. So knife collectors are a bit crazy. Here's a picture of my knife collection. I can say knife collectors are a bit crazy because I am one. But knife collectors like to collect, I don't know, posters, books, especially books and manuals and stuff like that. I had these knife catalogs that I just like won for free on HiBid. It was part of a giant lot of, I don't know, shot glasses or something. I almost threw it away, but I thought, you know what? It's got a lot of color photos, 96 pages. Knife collectors are nuts, like me. So I listed it on eBay. It was totally free. Why not? So I put it up on eBay. Can you believe it? It sold for $19.95. This was going to go in the rubbish bin, and they paid shipping $20 for. To me, it's not worth nothing, but somebody really wanted it, and it sold. Next are these. I guess they're mini cigarette packs. It's really just a box of wooden matches, but they're made to look like packs of cigarettes. Vintage Japan. Free to me. I took a best offer of $42. I might have went a little low, but you know, I've had them for years and I figured why not just move them out. Super lightweight, shipping was easy. Gone. Next is this little trinket dish. This is B&G vintagey little dish. I'm talking 4 inches. It's very small. Cost of goods 18 cents. I bought, I don't know, 63 of these collector dishes against my better judgment, but when I did the math, I paid such a little amount of money for this giant Rubbermaid tote of collector dishes. The cost of goods comes out to 18 cents a piece. And this one sold for $19.95. 18 cents into $20. I'll do that all day long. Next is this Lions Club lapel pin. Previous video, I bought, I don't know, 360 lapel pins at a flea market. Cost of goods is about 10 cents, 11 cents when you do the math. This sold for $12.95, so 11 cents into $12.95, why not? Next is a really cool BOGO. If you didn't know this, old restaurant menus, restaurant placemats, anything that's old, napkin holders, salt and pepper shakers. If it has a restaurant logo like Howard Johnson's or Burger Chef or anything like that, people collect that stuff. They go bananas for it. This is a Red Devil restaurant from the 1970s, I think Holly, Michigan. Cost of goods was $1.50. I took a best offer of $23. She sent me a message. She was thrilled. Next is an item free to me because my sister gave it to me. This is a cast aluminum toy. Really, really cool. A lot of them on eBay. Some of them are in better condition than this one. This one's not bad. It's missing a few things, but it was free. Took a best offer of $21, shipping on top. The last one is the 19th hole shot glass. Comes with a little holder, a little stand. I bought a bunch of shot glasses, I mean a ton of them, from HiBid for $4. So the math comes out to like 7 cents, including this one. I took a best offer of 20 bucks. 7 cents into 20 bucks plus shipping. Why not? So that's the video, guys. I hope you got something out of it. Some BOGOs, things to look for, what sells, what doesn't sell. A lot of these things that I just mentioned took a long time to sell. We call them long tail. It takes a year or two. So if you got room for the inventory and you don't mind waiting, you can turn a few cents into a lot of money, and it does add up. Some of these sales were only $12.95, but those add up quickly over time. So that's the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I promise I'm going to make more videos soon. Hit that subscribe button. I haven't gone live in a long time, but I should, and I'll do that pretty soon. So that's it. Until next time, see ya.